2025 OP13 one box, random number 10. There we go. These are all the names. 4 or more. 12 times. 6 and 6 is 12. 12 times. Good luck, everyone. Sorry, I have to turn off. Oh my goodness. Twelve times. 10, 11, 6 and 6 is 12. Mango on top, Heath on the bottom. Here we go. Yes, yes. Drive safe. Don't blast and drive. Only red or red light. And if there's no car in front of you. Here we go. Let me write the sticky notes and we'll get this show on the road. One box, random number 10. Good luck, guys. We had a Lilith SP in the last box. Oh, wow. They're by 2 points. Yes, I am so sorry. It's been a busy weekend. I could send it to you. I could send you the money right after the stream. Just text me right after. Or DM me. Castle with a 3. Get out of town. Yamato to the 4th spot on the SR. Bruh. Luffy to the 1, Vivi to the 2, and Gum Gum Donstamp to the 7 with our God. But we've got like 12 blocks, bro. Wemby's literally got like 12 blocks. This is the craziest thing ever. Let's see what we got here. It's a secret. Monkey D. Dragon to the 7, and there's Sabo again on the 0. If it went earlier in the case for the secret. Go to the 0 spot and Mr. Heath. There's Goldie Roger. 3. Topman 9. Ace, you deserved it to 9. Otama to the 3. And there's Uta on the SR going to the 3. Divine Departure to the 9. Monkey D. Garp to the 6. You have it to the 7. Otama to the 3. Boa to the 1, Zoro to the 7. Come on, something's gotta be lurking here. Marcus to the 1, Newgate to the 2. Leader back there. Bonnie leader to the 0 spot, Vivi to the 2, and Shanks to the 5. We could still do like a Diva pack too. All the Altard parallels. I would say I could say when we hit one, but I can give you a link, Jimmy, to where you can see all the top chases for this. There's stuff called mangas and SPs. We hit SP in the last box. It should be already sorted from highest to lowest in price, but you could still sort it. So once you click that link, sort it from highest to lowest in price, and you'll see all the top chases on the first page. Buggy on the 2. Jay Garcia on the 3. Yes, sir. If you have any other questions, let me know. Luffy on the 1 for the leader. Garp on the 6 and Zoro on the 7. Oh, it's a tie game now. Oh my goodness, that's not even a foul. Let's make Daniels again. He's probably got 5 already. Sabo to the 4. Trafalgar to the 1 and Monkey D. Garp to the 6. Oh, he's got 4. Second half. I've seen this one. I'm gonna go to the 1 spots. Oh, Altar Boa. Very nice. I'm not sure what this one's going for. I haven't actually seen it in a while. Nice little Boa Altar. I haven't seen that one in a while. Yeah, that list is a $60 card. Miss Boa is about a $25 card. Very nice. Go to the 1 spot, Mr. Mango Bango. I've never seen that card in person, actually. That's why I was like, I don't know what this is. Sanji to the 7, Boa to the 1. Excuse me, nice little hiccup there. Sanji on the 7. Stussy on the 0. Wow, he got through. He got through him. Ant-Man is a monster. Did you guys see that play? There's our Dawn. There's Emu on the leader. Zero from the very start. Ethan Baron on the 0. And there is our other Dawn. Lilith to the 3. Gavin to the 7. Ace to the 2. Elder to the 6 and Hiyori to the 4. Come on, give me a red manga. Give me a red manga. Give me a red manga. Please and thank you. Trafalgar to the 1. Silvers to the 6 on the SR. Mango Bango. What's the point in living to the 7? 5 Elders to the 2 on the SR. SR. Another SR here. Shepherd to the 4. Bonnie to the 8. Second to last pack. So then this last pack here, Sabo to the 4, Snake on the 4, and Vista on the 6. Otama on the 3, and Scooper on the 7. We'll do a quick recap here. Sabo and the Bull were the 2 best hits. A little bit of a rough box there. There we go. Sabo, Ace, Emu, Sabo, Luffy, Bonnie, Roger, Luffy, Bonnie, Elders, Silvers, Stussy, Newgate, Uta, Yamato, Sabo on the Secrets, and then Boa, Hancock on the Altar rare. Very nice. I'll beat the sword out. It's about a $20 card. Just so we can keep on having some nice stuff up there. We'll do the randomizer right now for the 2 Dawns. There we go, guys. It's everyone's names. 4 more. 7 times. 6 and 1 is 7. 1 and 6 is 7. And boom. Jimmy Fam and Mango Bango. Take it down 1 each. Stefan Castle is so thick. 2025 One Piece OP13 1 box. Random number. Break number 10. It's a break. Hey guys. 11 and 12 are in the store.